Good day, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment, your trusted source for fascinating facts and intriguing insights. Today, we're about to dive into a world that's been under our noses for centuries, yet still holds many secrets. The world of turmeric. This humble, golden spice has a treasure trove of benefits, 10 of which we're going to explore today, many of which you may not even be aware of. So buckle up as we journey into the world of this magical spice and reveal its hidden powers. Turmeric, a spice known for its vibrant color and unique flavor, holds secrets that can transform your health. This golden gem has been a staple in Asian kitchens for centuries, lending its distinctive taste to a myriad of dishes. But beyond the kitchen, turmeric has also been revered in traditional medicine due to its potent healing properties. Turmeric's magic lies in its primary active ingredient called curcumin. This compound is responsible for the spice's rich color and is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants battle harmful free radicals in our bodies, preventing a range of diseases from inflammation to cancer. Moreover, curcumin is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent, which can aid in a variety of health conditions. From easing joint pain to reducing the risk of heart disease, the potential of this humble spice is truly remarkable. Now, let us delve into the lesser-known benefits of turmeric backed by science. First, did you know that turmeric can alleviate toothache and even prevent cataracts? Let's begin by diving into the realm of oral health. Toothache, an unpleasant experience many of us have faced, can be surprisingly combated with the help of turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. When applied to a throbbing tooth, turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, can help reduce inflammation and pain. A study published in the Journal of Oral Biology and Craniofacial Research found that turmeric mouthwash could significantly reduce pain and swelling in patients with periodontal disease, a common cause of toothache. Moving on, let's illuminate how this miracle spice can help maintain the health of our eyes. Cataracts, a condition that clouds the lens of the eye leading to blurred vision, is one of the leading causes of blindness worldwide. Here's where turmeric steps in. Research, such as the study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, suggests that the antioxidant properties of turmeric can protect the lens of the eye from oxidative stress, a contributing factor to cataracts. This means that incorporating turmeric into your diet could potentially help prevent the formation of cataracts. However, remember that while turmeric can complement traditional treatments, it should not replace them. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your health regimen. So, turmeric isn't just a spice to add color and flavor to your meals. It's a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to alleviate pain and protect our health. It's a testament to the power of nature and a reminder that sometimes the best remedies are right in our kitchen cabinets. So, next time you have a toothache or want to care for your eyes, remember turmeric. It's not just a spice, it's a potent and beneficial ingredient in the recipe for your health. Moving on, turmeric also plays a role in fighting breast cancer and easing asthma symptoms. You might be wondering how a simple spice like turmeric could have such profound effects. Well, the secret lies in curcumin, a bioactive compound that gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color and a whole host of health benefits. Let's dive into the world of scientific research to uncover how this works. In the fight against breast cancer, studies have shown that curcumin can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. A study published in the journal Molecular Carcinogenesis in 2022 found that curcumin not only impaired the growth of breast cancer cells, but also enhanced the effectiveness of chemotherapy. This little spice is indeed pulling its weight in the fight against one of the most common types of cancer in women worldwide. But the wonders of turmeric don't stop there. It also offers a breath of fresh air for those suffering from asthma. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease that constricts the airways, making it difficult to breathe. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin can help reduce this inflammation and relax the airways. A clinical trial conducted in 2023 demonstrated that asthmatic patients who took curcumin supplements for 8 weeks showed significant improvements in their symptoms. These findings suggest that turmeric could be a promising adjunct treatment for asthma. Now, it's important to note that while the results are promising, turmeric should not replace conventional medical treatments. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. It's fascinating, isn't it? A spice that's probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now could potentially help in the fight against breast cancer and bring relief to asthma sufferers. It's no wonder turmeric has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine. Its potential benefits are a testament to the saying that sometimes the best medicine is the simplest one. Turmeric indeed is more than just a spice. But the magic doesn't stop there. Turmeric can also treat hypertrophic scars and cracked heels. Let's start by understanding hypertrophic scars. These are thick, raised and often red scars that develop when the skin is injured. They can be itchy, painful and disfiguring. But guess what? Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can come to the rescue. A study published in the Journal of Molecular Histology demonstrated that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can inhibit the growth of fibroblasts, the cells that cause scarring. So not only does turmeric soothe inflammation, but it also helps to prevent the overgrowth of scar tissue. Now let's shift gears and talk about those painful, unsightly cracked heels. They're not only a cosmetic concern, but they can also lead to severe discomfort and even infection. The good news is that turmeric can help with this too. Its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties can aid in healing the cracks, while also providing relief from pain and inflammation. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that a paste made from turmeric and coconut oil, when applied to cracked heels, significantly improved the condition within just a few weeks. The turmeric worked to heal the cracks, while the coconut oil provided necessary hydration to the dry, parched skin. But don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself. Mix equal parts of turmeric powder and coconut oil to form a paste. Apply this to your cracked heels, leave it on for about 20 minutes and then rinse off. Repeat this process daily until your heels are smooth and crack-free. And there you have it. Turmeric, a humble spice that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, can work wonders for hypertrophic scars and cracked heels. It's a testament to nature's power to heal and soothe. Who knew that the solution to these skin problems could be found in your kitchen? Furthermore, turmeric can help with burns, age spots, and wound healing. This vibrant spice, a staple in many kitchens around the world, is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a skin savior too. Let's start with burns. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory agent. It's been found to soothe and heal burns, reducing pain and preventing blistering. An article in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research in 2014 showed that curcumin can help to speed up the healing process of burns and reduce the chance of infection. Now, onto age spots. These pesky signs of aging can be lightened with the help of turmeric. Curcumin, again, is the star player here. It inhibits an enzyme in our skin that produces melanin, the pigment responsible for darkening our skin. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Science in 2017 revealed that curcumin can help to regulate this process, reducing the appearance of age spots. Lastly, let's talk about wound healing. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its wound healing properties. Modern science backs this up. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can speed up the healing process, reducing the risk of infection and scarring. A study in the Journal of Surgical Research in 2016 demonstrated that curcumin can stimulate the production of collagen, a protein essential for wound healing. So the next time you're nursing a burn, dealing with age spots, or trying to heal a wound, remember turmeric. This humble spice hiding in your kitchen cabinet could be just the remedy you need. It's a testament to the power of nature and how sometimes the simplest solutions can be the most effective. Impressive, isn't it? But there's more. Last but definitely not least, turmeric can alleviate muscle pain. It's a spice that doesn't just add flavor to your dishes, but also brings a powerful punch of health benefits. One of them being its ability to combat muscle pain, a common ailment that affects many of us. Have you ever experienced that intense muscle soreness after a rigorous workout or a long day of physical activity? Well, turmeric might just be the secret weapon you need. Its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a substance called curcumin, can work wonders in soothing your aching muscles. Now you might be wondering, what's the science behind it? A study published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology tested the effects of curcumin on muscle damage, inflammation, and delayed onset muscle soreness in physically active men. The results? Those who consumed curcumin experienced significantly lower levels of pain and increased performance. Fascinating, isn't it? Another research, this time conducted by the Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition, found similar results. Participants who took curcumin supplements had reduced muscle damage after an intense workout. They also recovered more quickly, allowing them to return to their regular exercise routines sooner. But it's not just about workouts. Even if you're not an athlete, turmeric can still be beneficial. It can help those suffering from conditions resulting in chronic muscle pain like fibromyalgia and arthritis. A study from the Journal of Medicinal Food found that turmeric extract can inhibit inflammatory pathways, reducing pain and inflammation in these conditions. So, how can you incorporate turmeric into your diet? It's quite simple. Add it to your dishes, brew it in a tea or take it as a supplement. But remember, like with any natural remedy, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider before starting a new regimen. And there you have it. The golden spice isn't just for your curries and stews. It's a natural remedy that can help you kick muscle pain to the curb. So after a strenuous workout, consider turmeric for your muscle recovery. As we wrap up our exploration of turmeric's benefits, it's clear that this spice is a goldmine of health benefits. Today, we've discovered 10 surprising perks of this golden spice, from easing toothaches to relieving muscle pain. Remember, science has shown that turmeric can soothe a toothache and even slow down the progression of cataracts. Turmeric doesn't stop there. Its potential benefits extend to serious health conditions like breast cancer and asthma, offering a ray of hope for those affected. We also delved into how turmeric can help reduce hypertrophic scars and soften cracked heels, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Burns, age spots, and wound healing are other areas where turmeric shines, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And lastly, those suffering from muscle pain might find relief by incorporating turmeric into their diet. But remember, while turmeric is a powerhouse of benefits, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. Our journey into the world of turmeric has been enlightening, to say the least. We've only scratched the surface of what this magical spice can do. So let's keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep sharing this knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more captivating content. Stay healthy, stay informed.